It is I, the Count Von Count, and right now, you and I are going to learn which wonderful number is the number of the day. One, two, three, four, five. When will we get to the number of the day? Six, seven, eight, nine. The suspense is getting to me. 10, 11, 12.